Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLock YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLock, I will be showing you how to enable notification on Discord. So for that, what you need to do is open the Discord application first and then get logged in into the account. Once you're logged in into the account, you need to go to the profile picture of yours. So tap on profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. Once you're at the profile page, you scroll down and there in the app setting, you will find notification. You tap that notification option. It will get you to this page. On this page, you need to tap on the toggle get notification with Discord. You tap that. This will enable Discord notification on your phone device. Once you receive any messages, calls or followers, you will be notified through Discord notification. You also have the option to get notified when your friend streams. This is the option that is already enabled, so if you do not want it, you can tap on toggle and move it to the left side, which will turn off the notification. If not, you can tap it and turn on that notification once more. This is one way to enable notification on Discord. This is within the application process. Now once that, you will need to go and check your phone notification option as well. To do that, you need to go to the setting first, tap open setting, then go to the apps and notification option. In the apps and notification option, you need to go to the Discord app info page. You tap open that, and once you're at this page, you need to go to the notification option. You tap that notification. Currently, the Discord notification is off. So even though if you enable the Discord notification on the Discord application within, you won't be able to get notified as the phone application has turned off the Discord notification. You need to enable this as well. So tap on the toggle moving it to the right side. Now you will be notified for everything from Discord. This is a way how you can enable notification. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLock YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.